You know when they do a jack in a box and something jumps out of the box? Well, this is what's gonna happen right about now. Mate, Hutch, put some shoes on already.
Hey, you should go see my gaffer tape shoes down there.
Okay, where are they?
Behind the speaker.
On the speaker over there?
Go check them out.
I'm following Scotty right now. We're gonna go check out Hutch's gaffer tape shoes. Gaffer tape shoes. Yeah, put them in the
welcome back to Hutchie's gaffer tape shoes. Right now, we've got them here. Have a look at them. Aren't they pearlers? Look at them.
Oh,
who needs new ones when you
my.
got gaffer tape? That's what I say.
That is ridiculous, man.
Mate.
No, actually, you know what? That's like some black and gold Super Saver kind of styles, man.
Check
Look,
them out.
I mean, I'm gonna do a full on zoom on this. Hold on. Gaffer tape on the shoes. Please, Nokia, make us win this competition. We need $10,000 to buy our drummer a new pair of shoes. No, it was a joke. Sound dude's gonna give us some gaffer tape, but we're just taking the piss.
These guys, they need some gaffer tape.